Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 29th, 2019. I'm outside and this is an update on the greenhouse reconstruction project. Again, this is a Lord & Burnham, the manufacturers of this greenhouse. It was originally an aluminum and glass greenhouse structure. We won't be having glass on the roof, but we will have Solex. I did get that material in recently. And it's taken me quite a bit of time, a lot of labor, a lot of hours put into getting all the parts out, sorting out all the small parts, the nuts, the bolts, the screws, the plates and all, getting those all cleaned up and cleaning the main supports as well. Trying to get all the aluminum into as new a condition as possible, which is rather time intensive. So a lot of the things that I haven't done much with the gardens and all. I will post a video soon on a garden update and what's been going on with the potatoes and sweet potatoes, all of that stuff, and what's going on with the curly willow living fence as well. All of those things will be coming in videos in the near future, and hopefully I'll get some time to do another Ask Me Anything video. But right now I'm struggling, trying to keep going so that I can get this stuff set and get some of the food harvested out of the food forests and the gardens to get ready for winter, because winter's coming soon. So what was I able to get accomplished so far? Well, I was able to get the ridge beam going down the center of the trusses and the glazing support or rafters that go down and will hold all the glazing material, the Solex material that the light will penetrate through. So the ridge piece was put on along the ridge of the building, and the ridge actually has some hinge-like curlicues, some snail-like swirls to the sides, which accept the ridge vents, which open up in the future. So the ridge vents are installed, and the side vents along the side of the greenhouse have also been installed, along with a lower support beam below the side vents. I still have to do a header that goes right below the ridge vents up there. I'm hoping to get to that today, and I think that's about it as far as what I've gotten accomplished so far in the greenhouse. What I will do is I'll show some GoPro footage of me taking the handheld GoPro, going around and just looking a little bit closer at some of these things. I didn't put the camera on my head for installing this because of the weather conditions. And if the weather holds out, I'll go ahead and put the GoPro Karma up, and we'll get some aerial drone footage so you can see what it looks like at this point, and compare it to the last video and the video before that as well. So if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. If you found this video of value, please give us a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I will try and get to doing an Ask Me Anything, give you an update on the gardens, the food forest, the curly willow living fences, those sorts of things as soon as I get the opportunity. Right now I'm just going full tilt trying to get this project buttoned up for winter. So I hope you folks have a great day and stay cool. Bye-bye now.
you.